Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best truck toolboxes available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Undercover Truck Toolbox. The Undercover SwingCase is simple to install and easily accessible. That's making it the ultimate cargo storage solution. The SwingCase is the only swinging removable and portable utility case for trucks on the market. Its quick-release latch system enables the SwingCase to swing out nearly 180 degrees towards the tailgate. Also and swing back into a locking position over the wheel well for maximum bed access. It is constructed with the same durable ABS material as Undercover truck bed covers. The SwingCase is sturdy yet lightweight and can hold up to 75 pounds of cargo. At number 5 we have TRINITY Truck Toolbox. This job site box is made from heavily reinforced steel with a matte rust-resistant powder-coated finish. This box features recessed carrying handles, a tamper-proof locking system and gas lift for easy open and close. The box can be mounted to a truck bed or a job site and is also forklift and crane accessible. You can just add a padlock and the tamper-proof locking system. That will help keep your items safe no matter where your job site box is being stored. At number 4 we have UWS Truck Toolbox. This truck bed toolbox is built for max lid strength with patented rigid core technology. The lid is filled with a solid foam that helps prevent binding. The low-profile lid also offers a better view out the rear cab window. This matte black truck toolbox features a one-piece stub made from welded 0.058-inch aluminum. This truck storage box is equipped with stainless steel paddle handles for dependable security and long-lasting operation in spite of the elements. The handles are widespread for easier access from the sides of the truck. This truck tool chest is perfect for keeping tools and cargo organized and on hand for whenever you need them. At number 3 we have Montezuma Truck Toolbox. The Montezuma portable triangle tool storage chest is made for the tradesperson who demands durability, reliability, and long-lasting integrity to protect their valuable tools. The portable tool chest for work trucks utilizes a multi-tiered design that allows you to see your tools at a glance, access them easily and keep them well organized. The tool storage chest is made from high-quality steel with professionally welded seams and assembled with precision. This keeps your SAE or metric tools safe and extends the lifespan of your toolbox. The toolbox is built with gas springs that raise the lid and socket tray when unlatched for easy tool storage and access to storage underneath. At number 2 we have Giant-X Truck Toolbox. This toolbox can be mounted on a hitch rack cargo rack of your camper. That's perfect for the tongue of your enclosed trailer, and suitable to be installed on the rear of your RV for extra storage. This is the Giant-X Aluminum Truck Toolbox, which is perfect for storage in trucks, RV, ATV, garage storage, trailer, job site, flatbed. It is constructed of heavy-duty aluminum tread plate and a bright finish. The toolbox remains rust-resistant and will maintain useful for long-term. At number 1 we have Giant-X Truck Toolbox. The Lund 36-inch aluminum flush-mount single-lid truck toolbox provides the extra room needed for an efficient, effective storage solution. It is made of sturdy aluminum with a silver finish. This box is ideal for use as a utility box or storage lock for an SUV. The diamond tread finish withstands unimaginable beatings and will still look clean and scratchless, while protecting against water and rust. It has an electrostatically applied finish and ethafoam mounting strips that protect against abrasions and scratching. This side mount box gives easy access to all its contents and comes with strong paddle handles. The strong lockable T-handles provide added protection of valuables. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best truck toolboxes for your need.